Welcome to our Chennai 98 YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Skype for Linux and use it to make video and audio calls. Skype is a popular communication tool that allows you to connect with people all over the world. It has been around for many years, and it is still a reliable choice for making voice and video calls, sending instant messages, and sharing files. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over some of the key features of Skype for Linux. Firstly, Skype allows you to make free voice and video calls to other Skype users. You can also make calls to landlines and mobile phones for a small fee. Secondly, Skype has a messaging feature that allows you to send instant messages to other Skype users. You can also send files and images through the messaging feature. Thirdly, Skype has a screen sharing feature that allows you to share your screen with other users. This is useful if you want to give a presentation or show someone how to do something on your computer. Finally, Skype for Linux is highly customizable. You can adjust settings such as notifications, audio and video settings, and privacy settings to suit your preferences. In conclusion, Skype for Linux is a great tool for communicating with friends, family, and colleagues. It is easy to install and use, and it has all the features you need to stay connected. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with others who might find it helpful. One thing to keep in mind is that Skype for Linux may have some differences compared to the Windows or Mac versions. Some features may not be available or may work differently, so it's important to be aware of these differences. Additionally, it's important to keep your Skype application up to date to ensure you have the latest security features and bug fixes. To check for updates, simply open Skype and go to the Help menu, then select Check for Updates. If you encounter any issues with Skype for Linux, there are several resources available to help you. Firstly, you can check the Skype support website for troubleshooting guides and facts. Additionally, there are many online communities and forums where you can ask for help from other Skype users. In conclusion, Skype for Linux is a powerful and versatile communication tool that can help you stay connected with people all over the world. With its easy installation process and user-friendly interface, it's a great choice for Linux users who need to make video and audio calls or send instant messages. Let's get started by installing Skype for Linux. There are a few different ways you can do this, but in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way. First, open your terminal by pressing Ctrl+Alt+T on your keyboard. Then, type the following command. CSS copy code. sudo snap install Skype, classic. This will download and install Skype on your Linux machine. You may be prompted to enter your password to complete the installation. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Skype by typing Skype in the terminal, or by searching for it in your application launcher. When you first launch Skype, you will be prompted to sign in or create a new account. If you already have a Skype account, simply enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free by following the prompts. Once you're logged in, you can start making calls and sending messages. To make a call, simply select the person you want to call from your contacts list and click on the call button. You can also start a chat by clicking on the chat button. Skype for Linux has all the features you'd expect from a modern communication tool. You can make video calls, share your screen, send files, and more. You can also customize your settings to suit your preferences. That's it for this video on how to install and use Skype for Linux. We hope that you found this video on Skype for Linux informative and helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you want to stay up to date with the latest tech news, product reviews, and tutorials, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, Chennai 98. By subscribing, you will be notified of new videos as soon as they are released. Your support means a lot to us, and we appreciate it greatly. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.